Hey, what's up? It's Jeff with Decoding Dev, and in this video we're going to talk about controllers in Angular 1.x. We'll create a basic blog layout and show the difference between scope and controller as syntax. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just build out some basic HTML boilerplate here. I'm going to add in a title. And then I'm going to add in ng app and give it a title of blog app. I'm then going to add in ng strict di, which will help us with dependency injection. I'm also going to add in the Angular 1.5 source code so that we have access to Angular. Next, I'm going to add in the ng controller for blog controller, and then just add some additional scoped attributes, mainly being title and description, and some additional stuff for the articles themselves. I also want to add ng repeat because I want these articles to repeat as they will be displayed on the blog page. So now let's add in the article title and the article description. Then let's go down to the script tag and let's add in some Angular code here. So we're going to first create the module, and we're going to pull that and call it blog app. And then we're going to create a controller, and this controller will be blog controller. And we're going to inject scope. And then we're going to apply some scope attributes here. So we're going to do the blog title, the blog description, and then the articles. So with the articles, we're going to use an array, and I'm just going to paste in some code here. And there you have it. Let's take a look at what this looks like in the browser. So as you can see here, you'll have the title, the description, and then the articles all listed out here. Now that we've looked at the more traditional scope syntax, let's look at the controller as syntax. So the first thing that we're going to do is, right with the ng controller, we're going to say blog controller as blog. And then we're going to add the blog attributes to all the elements on the page, except for contained within the ng repeat. Then we're going to have to make some modifications to the script below. So I'm going to change this up a little bit because we don't need to include scope. I'm actually going to just have a separate function called blog control, and that function is going to host the scope of the controller as syntax. Another common convention here is to rename this, so that way when we are applying it within this controller, we don't lose focus of what this actually is. So I'm going to rename it VM for view model, which is more what this structure is similar to. And then I'm going to rename all of the instances of scope to VM. Then let's just do a little bit of cleanup here. And there you have it. This will have the same functionality as the original version of the controller with scope. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeff, and this was Decoding Dev.